Hey, is Zoom lagging on your laptop during meetings or classes? Yeah, choppy video, delayed audio, and freezing screens can be really annoying. In this guide, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix Zoom lagging on your laptop in 2026. Let's get your meetings running smoothly. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Lag is often caused by slow Wi Fi or unstable networks. Switch to a wired Ethernet connection if possible, or move closer to your router and run a speed test. Close any programs running in the background that use bandwidth or system resources. Browsers, games, streaming apps, or downloads can slow Zoom down. In Zoom, go to Settings Arrow Video, lower the resolution or disable HD video, and turn off virtual backgrounds or filters. This can significantly reduce lag. Hardware acceleration helps Zoom use your GPU to improve performance. Go to Settings, Arrow Video, Arrow Advanced Arrow Enable Hardware Acceleration, then restart Zoom. Make sure Zoom is updated to the latest version. Also, update your laptop's graphics and network drivers. Updated drivers help reduce video and audio lag. Turn off unnecessary startup programs, reduce Chrome tabs, and close heavy apps while on Zoom. Freeing up CPU and RAM helps Zoom run smoother. Some antivirus or firewall software can interfere with Zoom. Temporarily disable them or allow Zoom through firewall settings to improve performance. If Zoom still lags, uninstall and reinstall the app. A fresh installation can fix corrupted files and reset settings to default. And that's it. One of these fixes should reduce Zoom lag on your laptop and give you smoother meetings. If this helped, check out my other quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.